guys, this is Val and welcome back to Val's Kitchen. On the menu for today, I'm going to be doing a Jamaican Easter bun. Alright, because you don't know Easter come up, you know, you can do a little thing at home. I'm just giving you all ideas, or I'm just giving you idea that you can easy 1, 2, 3. So here are all the ingredients. Maybe the ingredients can look plenty, you know, but a simple thing. You understand? If you just get the ingredients, everything, and everything will come out the right way and just do it the right and proper way. All these here is gonna be for the wet ingredients. Alright, so I have a strawberry jam. You can use any jam, you can use guava jam, but I'm using the strawberry because that is what I have. I have vanilla, I have browning, I have a Guinness. You can use anything because you can use dragon stout, Guinness stout, you can use malt or any one of those, right? You can use it. I have a cup of sugar, have some butter, alright? I still dealing with the wet ingredients, honey and the molasses. Yes. So here are the flour and all the spices. I have 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. I have 1 teaspoon of allspice. I have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I have ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, and I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Salt is always least at all times. Yes, I have a lime. I'm gonna put the lime with the egg just to keep the rawness. You know, I have 3 eggs. I'm gonna be using 3 eggs. So come, let me put all this together and show you. I'm gonna get a nice, perfect Easter bun. Let me just turn on the stove. Just warm them the ingredients. The pot is hot. The pot was hot. But anyways, turn on the stove on a low heat. We're not boiling it, you know, guys. We just want to get the sugar to melt. Just kind of warm it, you know. Yes. I'll put about 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and this is the molasses, alright. We use about a tablespoon of molasses, alright, about 2 tablespoons of honey, just mix out the sugar, and then now, you know, we're gonna use a tablespoon of browning or less. But you know, you want the bun to have the right color. You don't want the bun too white, and you don't want the bun to be too dark, right? So easily the sugar mix out easily now. And with the jam now, I'm gonna use about 1. I use a good amount, you know. This is more than 2 tablespoons, okay? Alright, so I'll turn off this kind of warm. I'm gonna turn off this now, guys. Yeah, because the sugar dissolve, you know, so I just going to dissolve the jam. Yeah. So I'm going to get this together and then come back. Yes, guys, I was going to melt the butter in a separate container, but I'm just going to put it in this pot. Alright. Just about, I have to use 2 tablespoons. Alright. Melt this and turn off the stove. gonna prepare the dry ingredients, guys. Sieving the flour. Yeah. This is 5 cups of flour, you know. 5 cups of flour. Let's get 2 small buns from this. 7 inches baking tin. 2 small one I have. So I'm gonna put this now. I don't want it to crust, you know, the meat in a while. So, a small bun, right? So, I have some raisins and some mixed peel. This raisin I've been soaking, you know. You can use it dry still, if it's, you know, you can use a dry raisin, but I always have some from Christmas. And Christmas I'm using about 3 different times now. I use this out of the same soak raisin. But you can use, if you want to soak it in there with the wine, or you know, if you just want to use it as is, you know, it don't really matter. Don't really matter. Yeah. So guys, the next step is I'm coming back with the wet ingredients now to put all this together. All right. Try and take out them. Take out the eyes them. And look at something from the side where all is on the side. It make the cake make a pieces raw. See that? Get it off. That's it. And you know, good for crack all the egg in a one basket. I really crack all the egg in a one basket. It's not good to crack all the egg in one container, guys. Because sometimes egg spoil and I have to throw away everything. You feel me? You have to use some lime zest just to keep on the rawness. Yes, from the egg, you know. So just and guys, this is the liquid that you kind of warm on the fire and the stove. You have to make sure it's cool completely. You cannot put the egg in the warm liquid, right? But have to make sure it's completely cool, as you'll have a cooked egg. We don't want a scrambled egg. Okay. I'll put this together now. Wet. And guys, it's best to have surplus liquid, right? It's best to have more than you want or than you need, because if you have less than you're going to use, it's not gonna work out. So you better use and leave back, right? So we just put this. We're not gonna use all at once, okay? Smell nice already, you see? Smell real, real nice. I think we have the right color for the bun. We don't want it any darker than this. the same method as baking. Some people put in the wet ingredients. Some people put the wet ingredients and the dry. Some put the dry ingredients and the wet. But it not even matter to me, you know. Why is it come out the right and proper way, you get the right flavor and all of that? It not even matter. You mix out. You don't want a raw flour, you know, guys. I don't have any grease paper, guys. You know, so I'm going to just do the dough. 2 small pan tins. Grease them. Grease them as good as I can. You don't want it too thick and you don't want it too runny, you know? You see it? Not too thick and not too. Let's put it about 3/4. About 3/4, because you know the baking powder, you have to give it space as well to rise. You have to give it space to rise. Alright. Wow. Wow. What a mess. Can't waste nothing, you know. Cannot waste anything. Guys, I have some cherry, couple little cherry leaf back. Just like a decoration. Guys, tell me how y'all like your bun. I have some mixed peel too. I can just sprinkle a little tip. So a little tip. I don't want it overpowered because I made it put some in the mixture already, you know, so I don't really want a lot. Right, so that's it. That's good enough. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Guys, I preheat the oven at 350. I'm gonna put it in for an hour first and then check. I don't have any toothpick or stuff to check, but I'm still using. No, it's alright. If I see the top, I'm not gonna further. Right. So let me checking in, guys, after an hour. Alright. Don't have any toothpick or any skewer. Check. So still want. See it? So I'm gonna make it stay. And let me see this. Yeah, this next 15. What the next? I give them the next 5 minutes. Because I don't want them to stay I don't want them to stay too long and dry out. So check in back. Alright. I'm gonna make the glaze. This is some leftover ingredients. So what I'm just gonna use some. Alright, just a little bit of lemon. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna use some honey. Use some more honey. Honey. About a half tablespoon. Alright. I want a nice glaze. You know when you glaze, you put the glaze and take glassy and so. A little more butter. It's a little small amount. Just a little. So we have to put the glaze at the bottom when it's hot enough. Alright. Yeah. But you have to do this when it's hot, you know, guys. This is the final product, but I have to make it cool before I can cut it. Alright? Before I can cut it. Yeah, so when it cool down now, you just come and cut a slice and show you all the moistureness. Yes, guys, so when it cool down, we can cut it and show you the moistureness, if there is a word. LOL. This is the final product. It never cooled properly, but guess what? It still come out nice and moist. You know, it really tastes good. And things, so I'm gonna put a piece of cheese. Look, you see everything. You see that? Yeah, just perfect. So you know you can have a bun with a piece of cheese. Alright. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, turn on the post notification bell. Bye.